Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Mac using a hot corner. So locking your Mac keeps your open app and document in place, but it stops other people from using your computer until it's unlocked. This is useful when you are leaving your desk for a short time. So it's a good idea to add a lock screen action in a hot corner. It lets you lock your Mac with just a pointer movement. So to set it, first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here in the right side pane, scroll down and click on hot corners. Now choose the corner you want to use and click on its drop down menu and select lock screen. Now to make the corner work only while holding a key, press and hold either command, shift, option or control key while selecting lock screen, and finally click on done. And before testing it, save any work that are not saved automatically, and now move the pointer all the way to the selected corner, and when adding a keyboard key, hold that key while moving the pointer to that corner, and that's it. Your Mac should lock automatically. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.